Way back when, Patty made some boxes that she filled with all kinds of goodies, and I asked her to do one for my granddaughter, and I'm going to be putting this in a cedar chest that I'm saving all kinds of old things for. So far, she's only 6 years old, but she's already showing signs, or sorry, she's 5.5. She's already showing signs of having a big interest in books and old stuff, and she really is fascinated when I show her stuff. So I thought this would be great for her. Anyways, this is the beauty that Patty just sent me. And hopefully I can get it packaged up just as nicely before I put it away. I'm going to pray the camera doesn't flip off the table. I mean, just the box itself is precious. It says the Captain's Sea Chest, a place for everything and everything in its place. That's what this plate here says. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see what's inside. Let's take the paper out first. Wow is all I can say. Where to begin? Cartier Bresson Paris box. Oh, with the threads in it. Wow. Is that ever cool? That's that old embroidery floss. Beautiful. Patty, wow. Okay, wow, 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 wow. Look at the size of this little beauty here. Kind of reminds me of the book she auctioned off last night for me. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is precious. Beautiful. Professional mixing guide. Oh, now I'm not sure I want to give her this. This is how to mix drinks. It'll go perfect though, because I have a butler's handbook that I'm putting in her box, so I'll just put it in here as well. Programs and loan papers. Look at these beauties. It's okay, honey, you can walk by. Hubby's looking to see what I'm opening here. What year is these? Doesn't matter on the years, they're just precious, and they're all like in mint condition. Trees of North America. Well, luckily this is for my granddaughter, because otherwise you know where this would end up. What a beauty. Sloan's Why Hints Up-to-Date Cookbook. Guess there's some kind of handy hints. Oh, hand-eat dog. I'm usually good at those, but for some reason right now I'm just in total shock as what's in here. Wow. Up-to-date cookbook from 1901. The Everyday Diary. Oh, and it's filled. Patty. Oh my Lord. Well, it's Sophia's box, but Nana's going to have to read it first. Look at these postcards. And they're all written on. I'm insisting that she learn how to read script handwriting, so hopefully she'll be able to read these when she grows up. I just don't know how the world's going to go along without kids knowing how. Dear Grandma, having a wonderful time. Are staying at Norris Dam. This morning we took a boat ride. Wish you were with us. Your loving granddaughter, Dixie Jean Rapp. Oh, beautiful. Just amazing, Patty. Palace Barbershop. Name of the owner, the amount of taxes, city taxes and school tax total for 1876. We could only wish. Oh, that's precious. And see, this is the idea behind what I wanted to do for her, is I wanted to realize like how stuff was back then compared to what it will be when she grows up. Standard life insurance policy. Amount paid $24.27. That was probably a yearly cost, and now that would be a daily cost. Just spoke with my insurance agent this morning, so yeah. Sweet corn seed packet. I might just have to scan some of these before I put them away for her. And the way she presents everything is just so lovely. That is beautiful. Patty, you just hit it right out of the ballpark. Her grandfather, her papa is a dairy farmer, so that's perfect too. Gorgeous. I have an old treasure chest upstairs that I've filled with all kinds of stuff over the years, and she just loves to go through every single one of them. Look at the old bottle. I mean, if you could see the weight of this thing, or feel the weight of this thing. Not like they make today, that's for sure. A little jar full of old buttons. Look at that. Oh no, I was off camera all that time. I hope not. But I think I was. All those little tubes with the buttons in it as well. Those are cute. And she's a word person, so this is quite perfect. Cute. I love it in the jar. That's another one. Oh, there's two little bottles. Look at that. They even sound different today than today's bottles. Isn't that perfect? Yep. I have to try that one day with her. Beautiful. Beautiful little frame. And playing cards. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Dutch brand. Oh, I think it's empty, but oh, there's something in there. No, I can't open it. I have to get hubby to do that for me. I'm not going to open this, but it's full of old postage stamps and stuff. Yeah, I know I won't be able to get it packaged back up, so I'll leave that well enough alone. No letter that she'll be able to open herself. I love how she does these. Beautiful. So special. We're actually working on my granddaughter's first journal. She wanted to make a fairies book. An old ledger. And again, all written inside. Somebody's math. Monthly summary of receipts and disbursements. Cool. Big numbers for an old journal or ledger. Again, she did some of that wax seals on here. Oh wow. Look at these images. 1868. that's old to us, but imagine to a child who's only 6 right now, how old this is all going to be. And all these papers, I mean, everything's going online, so they won't even know what paper documents look like. Teacher certificate of the 1st grade. Wow. Oh, Patty, I'm just so blown away by everything that's in here. It's so perfect. University of the State of New York. Cool. So wonderful. Oh, I think this was in here. I'm going to keep this. That is the last thing. Look at the vellum envelope. Oh wow, that is a card. I'm almost afraid to. I know it does something. Okay, I get it. Am I on camera? Sort of. It opens this way. Look at how pretty that is. You would not believe how delicate this is. There is a page there. And it's written in inside from 1850. To Anne E. To share thy joys, to something thy cave, with thee my every thought to share, with thee in mutual love to live, in all I ask of heaven to give. Wow. Oh, just absolutely spectacular. Okay, I'll put that back gently after. I want to make sure I don't rip that. Peterson's magazine from 1884. And look at these outfits. Quite a few layers compared to what they wear today. And we were just talking about these last night on the live. Can you imagine how uncomfortable it must have been? These are just beautiful magazines. The Fisherman's Daughter. Can you guys? No, I gotta go this way, I think. Look at that crew. Everybody's so serious. That is beautiful. Long lost relatives. That's what these are going to become. These are just so precious. This must have been Chatty Cathy, because they're putting their hands in front of them to try to stop her from talking. Oh no, that's her little brother is sitting on her shoulders. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little baby sitting on her shoulders and he's got his arms wrapped around her mouth. Oh, Grandma and Grandpa, pretty serious couple. There's Great Aunt Jean and Bob. No, it's Catalina Island, California, June 28th, 1924. Can't figure out what her name is. Oh, Harriet maybe, and Will. Oh, what a precious baby. Pretty dresses on them. Clark equipment, just purchased in 1958. That's another thing, they won't know what it is anymore. Pictures. Cool. That is super cool. Patty, thank you ever so much. This is exactly what I was hoping to end up with. So beautiful and precious. And that I'll put away after. Anyways, well, thank you very much, everybody, for watching. And Patty, again, thank you very, very much. This is just beautiful, and it will be perfect to add to that cedar chest. And I'll make sure I put a little note in from you in there. Thank you. Bye for now.